Hey, creative souls! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the fantastical world of photography and videography. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the top 5 best Nikon cameras in 2024. If you're on the hunt for the perfect tool to capture your creative vision, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. Number 5, Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is a good vlogging camera. It's quiet, portable, but is a tad on the bigger side for walk and talk style vlogs. Still, its fully articulated touchscreen makes it easy to monitor yourself while recording, and it gets bright enough to combat glare on sunny days. There's also a tally light on the front of the camera to let you know when it's recording. The autofocus is effective in video, especially regarding face tracking. The internal stereo microphone also sounds good for a built-in mic, and there's a mic input if you prefer to use an external microphone. The camera can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second without a crop and includes slow-motion recording options in 1080p. That said, while the camera has an unlimited recording time limit, it doesn't have the best battery life and is prone to overheating when recording in 4K. Number 4, Nikon Z6 II. Nikon Z6 II has proven to be the top pick for a mirrorless camera from all Nikon devices. This model makes a great combination for both still shots and videos, therefore, it's a great pick for users who have some experience with cameras but still jump between videos and pictures. Image quality. The 24.5 MP BSI CMOS sensor is capable of capturing even the most complex details, allowing you to produce large prints and crop images without losing quality. Moreover, there is an opportunity to push ISOs up to 12,800 or 25,600 with relatively low noise. Technical features. Nikon Z6 II has in-body stabilization that strongly enhances video stability without having to get additional stabilization tools. With 273 autofocus points, you will be able to deliver excellent pictures automatically. And the ability to make 4K UHD 30p videos will let you dive into the videography experience, size and connectivity. The camera itself weighs 1.5 pounds and it has a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen. Additionally, you get a dual card slot for CF Express and SD UHS-2. CF Express cards are up to 6 times faster than the best SD UHS-2 cards, as well as a 10-bit HDMI. Number 3, Nikon Z5. Nikon Z5 is the most universal option from Nikon production, making it suitable for all-level photographers. This camera stands out with its large EVF and an excellent shutter that delivers fast flash sync speed. Image quality. The 24.3 MP sensor offers high resolution for printing and flexible cropping. And with 14.5 stops of dynamic range allows recovering photos for shadows and highlights. This camera helps you enjoy clean and high ISO performance, delivering usable images up to ISO 51-200. Technical features. This Nikon Z5 provides you with a 273-point autofocus system, which is impressive compared to other cameras suitable for beginners. It also has an in-body 5-axis image stabilization for sharp images, making it an excellent choice for hikers or travel vloggers. Finally, this camera is able to film 4K videos with smooth transitions between objects, size and connectivity. The camera body weighs 1.3 pounds, which is a decent choice of comfortability. You also get a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, and the camera is compatible with a wide range of lenses. There is a dual card slot for SD UHS-2, yet, no support for Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Number 2, Nikon Z50. Nikon Z50 is the best camera option for beginning users with loads of enthusiasm to learn more about photography. This type of Nikon is compact but powerful, user-friendly but feature-rich, so not only users without experience choose it but also advanced photographers. Image quality. A 20.9 MP camera with a CMOS BSI sensor allows you to enjoy great images that can also be cropped without affecting the quality too much. You can expect to capture wide dynamic range shots with well-maintained highlight and shadow details. finally, you receive clear photos with minimal noise, as its ISO range is usable up to ISO 51-200. Technical features. The Nikon Z50 provides a considerably advanced feature set for its class. The list includes fast shooting, 4K video, a high-resolution EVF, and a tilting touchscreen. Additionally, this camera model offers 209 autofocus points, so you will be able to catch impressive images with minimal effort, size, and connectivity. This Nikon camera weighs 0.99 pounds with battery and card, which is also an excellent choice for travelers. It comes with a single SD UHSI card slot, and you can connect to it via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connectivity. Number 1. Nikon ZF. The Nikon ZF is good for travel. It's relatively compact and portable for a full-frame model, though it can feel heavy and somewhat imbalanced. It captures fantastic image quality and includes a dedicated B&W mode that's well-suited to street photos and makes it fun to play around with. IBIS can help you capture steady shots at slower shutter speeds in dimmer conditions, and the camera has an excellent overall autofocus system that works well in busier settings. Unfortunately, battery life isn't amazing, and its ergonomics leave a lot to be desired, though its physical dials give you a bit more hands-on control over settings. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best Nikon cameras in 2024. Choosing the right camera is like finding a paintbrush that perfectly complements your artistic style. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And, hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we've got a lot more creative content coming your way. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.